Hey guys, this is Box and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at the G413 carbon mechanical gaming keyboard. So if you're watching this, you're probably either looking for a gaming keyboard or you're just looking at this for fun. It's a really nice gaming keyboard from Logitech, which is just under £80. I actually really like this keyboard as it does feel very professional in your hands, and I just really like the finish of it and the size. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're here, so you should really subscribe because I release a lot of videos and there are a lot of gaming videos. Alright, so there's the keyboard. It does have a little tiny container on top, which we'll find out what is inside of that too in a bit. Okay, so here it is. It isn't as heavy as I thought it would be, as it is a high-end aluminium finish, which is really actually quality and is very well built. Okay, so here's the paper, no need to read that. So here's a keyboard. It does have two USBs, as you can see, and it looks very weird, but you will actually know why soon. So just stay later on this video. Okay, so here's a keyboard. As you can tell, there are little decks to make the keyboard go up, which is actually really nice because it feels nice. I just love this keyboard. Anyways, okay, so the keyboard is right there, very nice. It has the full number pad on the side. Okay, so here's the two USBs. Now you're wondering what it is for. Okay, so one is actually for the keyboard and the other one is actually a really weird use, but it is very useful for this. So I'll actually show you how to use it later. Okay, so it does have backlit keys, but it is kind of frustrating that it is only one color and it's red, and it can go shades of red, but not really a big fan of the RGB backlighting. Okay, so here is the small cable. The funny thing is I actually did not expect it to come with that, so that's actually really nice to come with it. So they're all spare keys for the keyboard, which come with the switcher, so it pulls out the keys out of the keyboard, which is actually really interesting to have. Did not really expect it at all. Okay, so this is actually a preview of how the keyboard sounds. So it does have Roma G switches, and they are mechanical switches, of course. I actually really like them as they do come back up really quickly, and you can press it and spam it really good. So that is mainly all of the things you need to know about this keyboard before buying it. I would recommend it. Really nice for typing. I can really enjoy typing with this, even if it's just not gaming. It's really nice for work, writing, anything. It's just amazing. Okay, so let me tell you what this is for. So it does have a USB symbol on it, and it's because the keyboard actually has a USB on the keyboard so that you can plug in your mouse, so that you don't have to actually reach in for your actual PC. Okay, so it does have the G hub, which does give you preferences for your keyboard. Of course, this one is supported by it, but you cannot actually really change the colors. You can change the type of breathing or like static, so it does do cool effects, but I wouldn't really recommend it for this, as it's very not customizable as I would like it. So that is really it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe. Actually, just a quick thing, so there is gamer mode, which if you press it, it will stop the Windows button, FN button and Alt button from working, so that's really cool. Thank you.